What's up, you beautiful
Bloody hell, you look good.
Anyways, today I'm going to talk about the hunt, which is absolutely plot. The hunt starts off with a bunch of strangers that wake up in the woods, gagged and alone. Sounds sus. Anyways, they find a box full of weapons. They soon realise they've been hunted by the rich for fun. Go! Everyone, come on, get your go! The hunt does provide some shocking kills, not due to them being gory, but due to how unexpected they are. This isn't over the top gory, but it squirts the red stuff in all the right places. Scares. Yes, you, come on, get from behind that couch, come on, it's alright, it's not that bad, come on. The hunt isn't scary at all. I found it to be a lot of fun. It even has comedy hidden in unexpected places.
Nudity.
You know, recently I've watched movies that have a lot of dicks in, but in this case, this one has nothing.
You are?
Nothing.
Nada. Note.
Move along.
They're actors.
Acting. Like this guy,
Hey!
the acting is hella goofy in this, but I do think that you'll find it to be a nice fit with the style of movie that the hunt gives. Worth watching. If you enjoy movies like Hard Target with a dash of comedy, then you'll make love to this banger of a movie. Last week I gave Becky the dog's bollocks. Well, the hunt gets the kangaroo's bollocks.
Look at those beautiful, glorious orbs. Ooh.
Anyways, if you've seen the hunt, let me know down below. I'll be back very soon with Attack of the Giant Leeches. Remember, hunting is frowned upon, people. Frowned upon. Anyway, stay safe, I'm out.